that PEX file is a compiled Papyrus script, game logic code for Bethesda's creation engine that drives quest systems, NPC behavior, and mod functionality in Skyrim and Fallout 4. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll help you decompile, modify, or troubleshoot these game script files. A quick note. Our segment will highlight the immense value of having one comprehensive file inspector that can instantly handle stubborn errors across many different file extensions. PEX files are compiled Papyrus script files for Bethesda's creation engine used in Skyrim, Fallout 4, and Starfield. They contain compiled bytecode from the Papyrus scripting language that controls game logic, quest progression, NPC behavior, and gameplay mechanics. PEX files use a binary bytecode format, storing compiled Papyrus instructions with function definitions, variable declarations, event handlers, and property references. They are generated by the Creation Kit's Papyrus compiler from PSC source files and executed by the game's script runtime. Creation Kit, developed by Bethesda Game Studios, serves as the industry application standard for PEX. For security reasons, Windows requires a known safe application for this file. Windows displays only the file shell, so full interpretation must occur in game-related applications. Let's utilize the list of installed programs to find the match. Right-click your PEX file, then click Open With. Test Creation Kit if you see it. If it fails, select the next program in sequence. Methodical testing is best. If your PEX file continues to fail when opening, that is okay. Since this PEX is a niche format, we can't assume a simple fix. Don't worry, we'll quickly check these key details to find where the error lies. First, decompiling scripts. Use Champollion Papyrus Decompiler to convert PEX files back to readable PSC source code. Run champollion.exe pexfile.pex to generate a decompiled source file. This allows you to study game scripts and understand how quest logic and game mechanics are implemented. Next, compiling custom scripts. Install the Creation Kit and write Papyrus scripts in PSC source files. Compile to PEX using the Creation Kit's compiler or the command line Papyrus compiler tool. Place compiled PEX files in the game's scripts directory for execution by mods and plugins. Finally, troubleshooting script errors. If game scripts cause errors, check the Papyrus log file at documents mygames.game, namey-log.script for detailed error messages. Common issues include missing property assignments, null object references, and stack overflows from recursive function calls. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. One helpful next step is to try a utility that attempts to bypass standard file associations by using raw-level data inspection to better identify the file's likely origin. Our troubleshooting is complete. The failure of the previous steps suggests a need for superior format intelligence. FileMagick is my recommendation for professional-grade access. FileMagick.com has the download. That was the final fix. If you love fast answers, please give this video a quick like.